If you are building software right now, you have probably hit the paywall. You want to use top-tier AI to speed up your workflow, but every tool asks for a $20 monthly subscription or an expensive API key. Look at this setup. We have a fully capable AI coding agent running directly inside Visual Studio Code. By the end of this video, you will bypass those paywalls. We are going to set up access to high-end reasoning models like Kimmy K2.6, and we are going to watch this agent autonomously generate a complete web project from scratch. Removing the cost barrier to these tools gives solo developers the same technical leverage usually reserved for enterprise teams. Let's get it installed. Step 1 is opening the vscode extension manager. You can click the extensions icon over here in the left activity bar or use your standard keyboard shortcuts. Type Blackbox in the search bar. Stop and check the publisher before you hit install. There are multiple fake duplicates in the marketplace, so you need to look for that blue verified checkmark. Once it installs, you'll see a welcome screen pushing a large upgrade button. Ignore the upgrade. Click the smaller Continue Free button next to it. You absolutely do not need to create an account or hand over an email address to proceed. Getting past that initial login trap ensures your local environment remains entirely independent and strictly zero cost. Next, look down at the bottom left configuration panel. You will see toggles for auto and manual execution modes. Keep this toggle set to manual. This means the agent has to ask explicit permission before it writes code, keeping your system safe while you learn. Open up the Tools configuration dropdown right below that and flip on Web Search. This gives the agent access to real-time internet documentation so its code stays accurate. Now we select the brain. Click the Model Selection menu. You will see a dropdown split between free and premium tiers. Scroll past the paid models and select Kimmy K2.6. This gives you high-level reasoning capabilities without requiring a paid API key. By locking in these permissions and selecting a top-tier model, your basic text editor becomes an active, collaborative developer. Look closely at this comparison. A standard chatbot forces you to copy and paste code back and forth. A true agent works directly inside your directory. Open an empty folder and let the agent construct the actual project structure for you. Go to the chat input at the bottom of the Blackbox panel to define the application. Type your requirements clearly. We're asking for a modern SaaS landing page for an AI API platform. Include specific UI details so the model has structural targets to hit. Giving the agent clear structural constraints triggers its autonomous workflow. It stops acting like an autocomplete feature and begins functioning like an engineer. Hit Enter and step back. The first thing the agent does is run system dependency checks for Node.js and NPM right here in the terminal. Then the generation phase begins. Watch the Explorer pane. The agent automatically creates the HTML and CSS files required for our layout. At the exact same time, you can see it writing the actual code line by line inside the main editor window. Keep your hands off the keyboard. The agent runs multiple verification passes to catch runtime errors, and typing right now will interrupt its logic. It is processing thousands of lines of logic, connecting style sheets to markup, and building a complete architecture in seconds. This hands-off execution demonstrates the agent's ability to operate as a self-directed worker throughout the entire build process. Now, let's see what it built. Open a live server preview so we can inspect the generated application right next to our code. Look at the results. It applied a clean, responsive layout and correctly prioritized the main call to action button, exactly as requested. We now have a production-ready boilerplate, and we got it entirely on the free tier without writing a single manual line of code. Once you are comfortable with this, the next step is automating repetitive tasks. Over in the Snippets menu, you can use Custom Skills to save your preferred tech stack instructions so you don't have to rewrite them every time. If you are ready to build faster, click subscribe to Earnings Lab. We will break down more advanced, zero-cost AI coding setups in the next video. Mastering these autonomous tools means you no longer need a massive budget to build complex software. The playing field is completely level. Start building.